Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tacoma SRT5 coming back at you with the hopefully last video about the headlight restoration. I just got back from the store and I just finished applying this Meguiars headlight coating. Let's see if we can find a part number here. I don't know. The barcode has 7038201-265, and I applied the first coat and it dried smoothly. I applied the second coat and it was orange peeled real bad, so I added a little more, and it smoothed out. You can't even tell it's on there. Camera. There we go. So this is how we're looking. 3 coats of Meguiars headlight stuff, and let me show you. This was the good one. I don't know if you can tell that angle or not. This was the better of the two that I had restored more recently, and now it looks like hell compared to the other one. So that's it. I mean, it helps that I have an LED right above this light, but that's my Walmart shop light. 12 bucks. Works pretty awesome. And yeah, so I guess we'll check back in a year or two, I don't know, and see how long this lasts. I'm really hoping for the best. It had some good reviews on it, so if you come across this video in 2022 or 2023, make a comment and I'll be sure to do an update. But for now, we're gonna get the car back together. So have a good one, be safe, and we'll catch you next time.